Hello student, today my topic is a test and measurement. This is not new chapter. This is a revision type session in this week. छोटे छोटे टॉपिक मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल की वजह से जो है समझा रहा हूँ जो इस वीक हम लोग फ्राइडे सैटरडे और ट्यूसडे में किया और करेंगे. So let's start. My topic is the test and measurement. What is the test? What is the measurement? In first introductions, the task or work need to be evaluated. Evaluation is based upon the test and measurement we conducted. Test and measurement are very important for the progress of an individual's. Test and measurement also play an important role to evaluate the activities of physical education, especially physical fitness components, motor fitness and skill ability in sports. As a matter of fact, it is significant for individuals to set objectives which they want to fulfill in the physical education and sports program. It is also essential to determine whether or not our objective have been achieved. For example, if you want to improve your cardiovascular respiratory fitness, you will have to participate in a fitness program after a certain period. If you do not measure and evaluate your cardiorespiratory fitness, you may remain in dark. Leonardo da Vinci has a writing said, if you are enamored of the practice without scientific way, you are just like a pilot who goes into the ship without rubber and compass and does not know his determinations. Test and measurement in physical education are the individuals or device for getting essentials details regarding the needs, capacities, abilities and attitude of student or sports persons. Some questions related of the test and measurement can come an exam like that. What is the test? What is the measurement? What is the skill of test and measurement? And importance of test and measurement, objective of test and measurement, role of test and measurement. So what is the test? Tests are used to collect informations or data about a specific skill, strength, endurance, knowledge, behavior, attitude, and etc. In fact, tests refer to any specific instructions, procedure to or technique used by and the administrators to elect a result from the person who take the test. There are various types of tests such as the Johnson Basketball Ability Test, Harvard Youth Fitness Test, Chorus Vapor Test, Harvard Test, and Sit and Bridge Test, Serious Reduction Test, Flexibility Test. These are like this a test. And measurement. मेजरमेंट की भी डेफिनेशन जो है डिफरेंट है. टेस्ट जो है उसको डिफाइन किया है. what is measurement? Measurement are the related to physical fitness, physical measurement such as size, height, weight, vital capacity, achievements, etc. Indeed, measurement refer to the process of administering a test to obtain a quantitative data. It can also be said that measurement at the evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in the collections of data through test and measurement, the effect of the teaching or coaching can be determined, the progress can be known, and the future planning can be made. Slaughter Lawman Children's Skillful Formula for computations of the fat percentage. What is a fat measurement? Body fat measurement is considered an important factor of the health and level of fitness for athlete and the general populations. Body fat in the such more meaningful than height weight ratios since the MI norm do not take into the account body compositions. For example, many athletes have high muscles mass and low fat level, yet they can be satisfied as obese using BMI alone. Conversely, a person with a normal BMI level may be in a normal range due to the low muscles mass, yet may still have a height percentage fat. While there are many ways by which to estimate body compositions, the procedure of the underwater weighing is generally accepted as a standard against with other methods, including skin fold value, are compared. However, underwater weighing is time consuming, expensive, and that does not lend itself to mass skinning applications. Skinful measurement represent a viable alternatives. The skinfold equations used in your Scandes eye calipers were derived by taking measurement from a large group of subjects. These data were analyzed to determine the particular skill, fold size, and their mathematical relationship, which would result in the best estimate of the hydrostatic percent body weight, body fat values. Purpose: to check the fat percentage, you can use the norm chart on the following page to determine your subject result. ACSM 2009 descriptions is specifically for the Scandex systems. First, program with the Slaughter-Lohmann formula. The Slaughter-Lohmann is named after the research study. The formula was developed from the result of the underwriters. Weighing and skinfold data is taken from several hundred individuals over a wide range of the age, body structures, body compositions, and exercise habit. The skinfold equations are used to predict body fat in the children. 8 to 18 year of age. Tricep and calf skin fold. Male 6 to 17 year, percentage body fat 0.735 into sum of skin fold plus 1.0. Females 6 to 17 year, percentage body fat 0.610 into sum of skin fold plus 5.0. Fat percentage of the children's boy and girl can be easily calculated with the help of the Salter-Lohmann children's skin fold formula that is given below. Try and calf skin fold. Males 6 to 17 years, body fat percentage 0.735 into sum of the skin fold plus 1.0. B. Females 6 to 17 year, tricep and the calf skin fold, body fat percentage equal to 0.610 into sum of the skin fold plus 5.0. This is the formula of the tricep and calf skin fold and women's tricep and calf skin fold. Before using the formula, it is essential to take the measurement of tricep and the calf with the help of the skin fold calipers and the following procedure in the applied for measurement. Number one, triceps skin fold. Number one, tricep skin fold. First of the all, ensure that the adult and child right arm is hanging loosely. Stand behind in the object of the pull vertical skin fold about half and the inch about the already marked site with the thumbs and index fingers pointing downwards, centering marks. Keep the skin fold caliper perpendicular to the length of the fold, centering the mark. Then release the caliper and note reading on a dial after approximately 4 seconds. Record the muscles to the nearest millimeters. Number two is the measurement of the calf skin fold. The calf skin fold is measured on the inside of the right leg at the level of maximal calf grip. The right foot is placed flat on the elevated surface with the knee flexed at the 90 angles. The vertical skin fold should be grasped used about the level of the maximal grid in the measurement is made below the graph. The measurements are taken in the millimeters. This topic related in chapter number 7, test in measurement. In test in measurement, today, like with the revision type of the session this week, what is the test in measurement? जो रिवीजन के जो सेशन में मैं रिवीजन करा रहा हूँ, बीच बीच में रिवीजन करा रहा हूँ, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स. टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लास्ट टाइम मैंने जो है वॉलीबॉल के बारे में बताया था, वॉलीबॉल के फंडामेंटल स्किल्स, टर्मोलॉजी एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ द ग्राउंड और स्किल ऑफ द वॉलीबॉल्स एंड हाउ मेनी प्ले इन द वॉलीबॉल. तो इसके बारे में कुछ चीज़ें मैंने आपको बताई थी. बट टुडे इज डिफरेंट और आपकी बुक से रिलेटेड है. प्रैक्टिकल में भी पूछा जाता है कि हमारा व्हाट इज द टेस्ट, व्हाट इज द मेजरमेंट, व्हाट इज द calf skin fold test, what is the tricep test, who's the test of the women's, who's the test of the man, what is the formula for the man and women's. This is very important for related to the exam and the practicals. So यू प्रिपेयर कि कभी भी आपके प्रैक्टिकल्स और एग्जाम्स आपके जब भी हों तो आप लोग तैयार रहिए, उसको तैयार कीजिए चैप्टर को। मैं आपको बीच में रिवीजन भी करा रहा हूँ। नेक्स्ट मंडे से जो है मेरे कुछ लेक्चर्स होंगे, चैप्टर जो हमारे पास लेफ्ट हो हैं अभी, लास्ट के 3 चैप्टर्स हैं, 9th 10th 11th 12th। इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स रिलेटेड टू एग्जाम। बट आप लोग जो हैं, जो मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ, और मैं आपको एक असाइनमेंट आपकी बार दूंगा टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट से। उसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, व्हाट इज द टेस्ट, व्हाट इज द मेजरमेंट, व्हाट इज स्किन फोल्ड टेस्ट, व्हाट इज द काफ स्किन फोल्ड टेस्ट। आप लोग तैयार रहिए, अलर्ट रहिए, जागरूक रहिए। और एक चीज और है, आपकी जो क्लासेस जो हैं 2 नवंबर से स्टार्ट होने वाली है। आप लोग जो हैं, जो बच्चे स्कूल में आएंगे वो प्रॉपर तरीके से मास्क का यूज करेंगे, वो प्रॉपर अपने पास सैनिटाइजर रखेंगे। हमारे स्कूल में जो है अब हर चीज अवेलेबल भी है, वहाँ सैनिटाइजर भी है, आपका जो है हैंड वॉश करने का भी आप है हमारे पास। जो ग्राउंड जो होगा, जब भी कभी भी आप हैंड वॉश करेंगे तो आप लोग जो है उसको यूज कीजिए। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, गॉड ब्लेस यू।